I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating your address on your Orange account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Orange website and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Personal Information. Once logged in, look for the My Profile or Account Settings section. Click on it to find your personal information settings. Step 3. Edit your address. In the Personal Information section, find the Address field. Click on the Edit button next to your current address to update it. Step 4. Enter new address. Type in your new address details carefully. Make sure to double check for any typos, as this can lead to delivery issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are applied. Remember, if you don't see the changes reflected immediately, try logging out and back in again. Happy updating!